Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna make a beef stew. So watch to the end so you can get the tips that I'm gonna be giving throughout the video. Let's continue. Next, wash the paprika, tomato, habanero pepper and prepare them for blending. Be sure to take all the seeds out of the paprika and tear them apart and put them inside the blender, and then chop the tomatoes and put them in the blender together with the habanero pepper. Ginger is optional, so wash the ginger and put it into the blender and blend it together with the other vegetables. Let's blend the paprika, tomato, habanero pepper and the ginger until they are smooth. Ginger and nutmeg are optional. They have a very strong taste, so if you're cooking this for the first time, you can use your regular chicken seasoning or any other seasoning that you use. For me, I'm used to them. I love the aroma, I love the taste, but you have to really get used to it. So if you're cooking for the first time, like I said, just use your regular seasoning. Chop the onion for the beef stew, and here already we've already cooked boiled some potatoes and some plantain bananas that we're gonna use the beef stew to eat. Cut the meat into medium chunks and wash them very well before putting them in the pot for cooking. Put the meat in the pot and add some seasonings. Close the pot and cook. Here I added some cumin powder, ginger, and some black pepper. Here I added some onions. I'm gonna leave the leftovers for when we'll start cooking the beef stew. Stir, cover and cook for about 10 minutes, checking the meat occasionally. Now let's start cooking the beef stew. First we're gonna add the avocado oil in the pot and we're gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and then we'll start stir frying the onions. The oil is warm enough. Now we added the onions and also added some salt. All right, we're gonna stir it, and next we're gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes. Let's add our blended mix of paprika, tomato, and ginger and habanero pepper into the stir-fried onion. Add nutmeg and the meat that we cooked previously. You can see I'm using nutmeg, fresh nutmeg. It gives a very good aroma. Then cover and let's cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the raw tomato taste is not there anymore and the stew is cooked down and thickened. Our stew is done. Serve with potatoes, plantain, bananas, or rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. Come back for more amazing videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for being here. Bye. See you in my next video.